Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can change your favicon on Wix.com. The favicon is the little logo up here that you see, so I'll teach you how to change that in this tutorial. So if you're on your website editor, you simply need to head away from this site and go to your website dashboard by clicking up on Wix and go to dashboard. Or if you're already in your dashboard, simply go down here to settings and then click website settings over here. And now you can simply scroll down to the favicon section here. But just so you know, you need to upgrade your Wix plan to a premium plan to change your favicon. Otherwise, when people go on your website, it's going to look like this as shown with the Wix logo. And this is simply just a way for Wix to advertise the website editing software. So to change the favicon, you simply need to upgrade to a premium plan here and choose the one that suits your needs, and then you can change it. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions and I'll try my best to help you in the comments.